You think no one's watching? Well, think again. These Karens thought they could get away with stealing, but the doorbell camera caught everything in 4K. From sneaky grabs to ball package snatches, you were not gonna believe what they did.
This is what instant karma looks like. Yeah, they drive off.
This is Thomas. That right there should be a woman. How is she gonna run? Sound the alarm. Yeah. That's another one. Oh shit. I guess whatever was in that box is worth the concoction. She got scared by some empty cans. Man, he just did an unboxing live video. Do they even notice that their cameras there?
Buddy first. I know. Let me see. I'm not doing that. I gotta get the buddy first. Open the pizza. 2 pat pizzas.
That was a bold smash right there.
Hey, what are you doing? Why are you stealing that package?
This is your package?
It's not yours.
This is your package?
It's not your package. Right?
It is.
Not yours. Put that he stole that package.
Hi, how you doing?
I hope he learns
I
his
want to get a
lesson.
chance to
Like,
talk about
what's
those
that?
cameras in the back. By the pool. I'm your neighbor.
Okay.
I was
This
wondering if we
man
could discuss
don't
those
want his
cameras
neighbors
that are
creeping on his
pointing
business.
towards our house.
They're not towards your house, they're towards my school.
But we don't know that.
Well, I know that, and that's all that matters.
No, it does not.
Yes, it does.
I'm not, ma'am. I'm asking you.
What's your problem?
Well, because I have cameras too, okay?
and I know the range. I know the range, and we have kids up there. And there's not supposed to be any cameras in the backyard. That's your safe place. You can have cameras in the front of your house.
You have a lot of nerve telling us where to have my cameras around my
Well, because they're pointing towards my house.
You know what? You shouldn't have
He
been
has
with
kids.
kids. How about that?
What do you mean?
You're in a 55 community.
It doesn't matter, ma'am. It does not matter, ma'am.
Did you forget?
It doesn't
What
matter.
parent takes kids into a neighborhood like this?
What do you mean? It's not a safe neighborhood for kids? Is that what you're trying to say?
You're coming to me
What is
with
he
your
trying to
problem.
hide?
No, I'm coming because the cameras are pointing to my house that I have young kids.
You know what?
Why don't you have them on the other side pointing towards your house?
You have a lot of nerve coming here to tell me how to mount my cameras.
Yes, because they're pointing. I don't feel safe that you're pointing them towards my house.
Call the cops and see if it's illegal. I don't think so.
Ma'am,
No.
I'm trying to be friendly because we're neighbors, okay? I really am. I'm just asking if you can move them to the other side to point them to your pool, not towards my house. That's all I'm asking.
First of all, you don't even know what you're talking about.
I do know,
No,
man.
What is he trying to
The
hide?
cameras.
Hey, my business.
One's pointing up and one's pointing down.
You got it. You got it. Sorry, we're not moving on camera.
Oh. It's like he ordered from Amazon Prime.
Just coffee. What number is yours?
That's it there.
You can't just walk in the van, sorry, you're loud.
What's f***ing missing out?
Check your bag.
What's missing out?
Check your bag.
Why is it opened?
I don't know, check your bag.
Why is it f***ing opened?
your bag.
Show me your
I'm
ID.
telling you nicely, I don't have no ID.
So who are you working for?
What is this? I
Who?
think I apologize for that, boss.
No.
They saw it. They saw the camera. Or they were just lazy. No attempts were made. I don't believe what this was. But just let the video play. You're gonna enjoy it.
Apparently she has on camera. You take the package right there. What is your package? Oh, so it's
My number. It's Amazon. She was did a delivery thing.
messed up.
It's
Okay,
mine.
I just wanted to make sure.
Yeah.
Let me just verify it. That's your name.
Go for it. This is my Amazon. She would have things.
Trust
She
me,
knows
she's done this before. She's a little bit. Okay.
Yeah, it's
Alright.
fine.
Alright, so they put it down there.
Yeah, she's just
Okay.
causing problems for her.
Alright, I'll talk. No, I'll talk to her. Hey, listen.
I'm sick of y'all.
Ma'am,
I'm sick of y'all.
ma'am, we are not.
Don't come to my door anymore. Or come to my camera.
Oh, alright. Okay.
I'm allowed to pick up my package if it's mine. Before she steals it, because I'm sure she's probably going to do it one day.
Okay. Alright, just wanted to make sure.
This is how she behaves, by the way. She has harassed our camera multiple times, curses outside, does so much. The office won't do things. If we can make a complaint, I would love to.
I did that. You make that with if there's a complaint dealing with that, you make it with the office.
No, but yeah, there's definitely mine.
I just wanted to make sure.
And if my packages are delivered there, I'm going to pick them up. And she can call the cops every single time.
I just want to make sure.
And she can come.
You can go back to the
Okay. Thank you, sir. You have a great night.
Well, if you didn't understand what is happening here, packages were misdelivered to the lady. But rather than returning them, she decided to keep it for herself.
They called the cops on me a few weeks ago, accusing me of stealing their package, and it wasn't even theirs. And she didn't ring my door, and I told her it was mine. So I had to prove to the officer that came out and showed him too my package. But then they want to go run to the office like they're the poor little victims. They've been harassing me for quite some time. And I'm very fed up. And he knows. The office already knows. So we just gonna have to But next time, I'm going to file a charge. I'm going to find out what charge I have the right to file, and I'm going to file a charge because I'm tired of them. And they're not going to run me out of my work.
That's right. Something's wrong with them.
You know, as far as, like, if you say, for instance, if you have a package right there, or you see you to go right there and take the package, you can't, because you got to enter a property. Right. This is all public.
I understand that.
This is all public.
But still, no. Don't come over here with an attitude and just snatching it because you know you don't like me and you don't get along. So you could have just simply not, or you point your camera in, your phone in my ring, you could have rang the ring, hello, this is my package here and I'm just going to grab it, just let you know. Don't just come snatch shit without saying anything and knowing that I could be waiting for a package also and I don't know who it's for. So just like she bringed up the last time, and I told her it was my package, show me that courtesy too.
And then she called the cops.
For nothing. So payback is a mother.
Well, just, and I would follow and make sure that the package, follow.
We just want them to leave us alone.
Not a problem. Now, I'm not sure what the office is,
Nothing. He just been informed. They went and told him whatever they told him about when they called the cops on me, and I went and told them what happened.
Okay. So go to the office and resign him.
That's why I like them on the listen.
Listen, because they
Oh yeah, I got everything on camera. Even when he
and I'm writing everything down.
even when he comes standing from a camera, making stupid gestures and all of that, I'm sick of it.
He's saying nasty stuff.
Okay.
Thanks for coming.
No problem.
What?
She's going to succeed. Instant karma. Oh, is that the police?
Get on the ground.
That is the police.
On in the bird. Hands away.
Oh, that was bad.
Put that stick down.
Piece of shit! Why are you trying to steal?
She's probably new to this.
You know we got security cameras on this house, dude. I was checking your address.
This man went from attempted thief to attempted murderer in 30 seconds. How did he know? How did he know? How did he know the camera was there?
Go! Go! Stop now! Stop now! Hey!
That's why you fat.
He just carried it.
Look at you, greedy. No, you can have it. You can have it. You got it, brother. You thought it was some snacks in there? Look at you. You can go ahead and take it. It's a big box for a big back. Come on and get it. I know you need it.
I think I was confused, bro.
Oh, I think you hungry. And people act abnormal when they hungry. You've seen a Snickers commercial. Come on and get you his little box.
People in this neighborhood know exactly what is
Don't try to run either. I don't want you to have an asthma attack on my porch. Get the box. I know times is hard.
I don't live too far.
I know you ain't walking far. I know you ain't walking far. You ain't got to tell me. Go ahead and get it.
This is just funny.
Police Department, Dispatcher 19.
I just saw somebody on my Ring camera steal 2 packages.
Headquarters to 201. Caller is not home but saw this on the Ring camera. He took a box and a parcel. Camouflage jacket, white hoodie, gray sweatpants, black backpack.
Excuse me. Hi. Stop right there. Stop. Stop. Stop.
Coming down. 203 foot pursuit. 203 is in foot pursuit.
Running back towards St. John's.
St. John's Church. 203, 1023.
200, 1023. 200, 1023.
200, that's a 1023? Okay.
She thought it is hers that was misdelivered.
What are you doing?
Picking up my boss's box.
Who's your boss?
This is 6019. Let's see, what is it, right?
Is that your phone? Get out of here. Get out of here. I'm gonna call the cops. Get out of here. Get out of here.
Calling my boss. What's the address I'm supposed to be at?
You gotta look before you pick it up.
I'm sorry.
She thought it is hers that was misdelivered.
Ain't it?
Mom will not believe anything. A thief is a thief.
I hope whatever was in that.
So, if you enjoyed this video, please like and subscribe, and don't forget to hit the notification bell so that you get notified every time I drop a new video. The other channel was taken down, and I'm trying really hard to build a new community. So don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. Leave your thoughts in the comment section below. And don't forget to turn on the notification bell, yeah? So that you get notified every time I post a new video. Thank you. Peace out.